Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
What is going on, everybody? We're just doing some quick testing. I just want to test the camera out a little bit. I don't have all the necessary parts to keep it super secure like I want yet. It's supposed to be coming today, but it's basically set up. I just thought this was always the most sketchiest thing ever, to have the X dangling. Good test for this camera. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, I need to put my petcock thing in. I don't know what's going on with the battery. I might need to put the bitch back on the trickle charger. Ain't no sunshine, and we only play sometimes. Do you see me? What the fuck is wrong with you, dude? Wow, that's crazy. go. I don't know why they did that. Still I rise. I'm definitely liking the camera though, man. I just want to make sure that it is secure and set up when we actually go ride. I don't want this thing flying all the way back if it don't have to. I don't think it's necessary. I'm trying to find like the best look for it and see how the hell we gonna do it, but sounds good, man. That's for all the people that was hating saying the M4 ain't no good on the damn Gixxer. That shit crazy. One of the best things ever, bro.